You may be seeing this vehicle behind me and think it's the one from the last video. It is not. This is the second Storyteller that came in just days after the first one to get the 51 volt system conversion. 51 volt systems are becoming the new standard for high-end RVs and overland builds. Once customers start wanting residential appliances and long off-grid stays, 12 volt system becomes a thing of the past and won't handle the limit. Higher voltage means the system can deliver the same amount of power using less current. Less current means less heat, less voltage drop, and more efficient power delivery. It also allows you to use a larger inverter without overloading the wiring. So behind this black box, we have the Lithionics and Victron products with a 5,000 watt inverter. Now, why would we want to use a 5,000 watt inverter? It's because a larger inverter lets the customer run bigger loads safely. And these lithionic batteries store DC power. Most household appliances use AC power. The inverter converts DC into usable household electricity. It doesn't create more battery capacity, it simply allows more power to be delivered when needed. Now, these huge batteries are useless if they don't have great fast charging. If you come underneath here, you can see that we have the second alternator that is Lithionics Smart Alternator. Fast charging means less waiting and means more time camping and less time plugged in. Customers often focus on battery size, but charging speed is just as important. So now we will be testing the batteries. Right now it is sitting at 82%. We are going to go on a short little drive. We're going to be a little bit of cinematic, and then we're going to see how long we drove for and how much battery we actually accumulated. Let's go. So as you can see in front of you, as the RPMs increase and as we drive faster, we get more ampage to charge the battery. While we're just stopped, it's at 37 amps. We're cruising at 40 miles per hour and we are putting out 100 plus amps charging the battery. So after idling for an hour, we are at 96%, which is a 14% jump while AC is on full blast.
If you have a Storyteller and you want more information on this conversion, go ahead and reach out to us here at CTM and ask for Travis. See you in the next video.